Welcome to writing. All right, I'm trying to get to my camera so that you can see. Hopefully that delay doesn't happen too much more. Okay, so today is March 4th. Welcome. It's still March 4th. And you can see I'm still wearing the same clothes. If you see me in the hallway, I'm wearing these clothes because it's this morning. Hello, go away thing in the middle of my screen. Okay, so today for writing, you are going to work with a partner of your choice, unless if the guest teacher has other ideas of what's needed in the moment. Um, and you are going to collect evidence on a controversial topic that represents both sides of an argument. So I am in my actual writing notebook. So you're going to need your writing notebook. And what's going to happen is you're going to get to read an article with 2 to 3 people, and you can work alone as well. So alone with 2 people or with 3 people. So no big groups, no larger than 3. And you're going to read an article, and you are going to create a for list and against list. So we're going to title this. I'm actually going to. I might need the full page, so I'm going to go ahead and start it over here. Put the date. Today is 3/4, and chocolate milk in schools. That's what my T chart is going to be titled. And then I'm going to kind of eyeball the middle, and I'm going to put evidence for having chocolate milk in school and evidence for against. So you might have some strong feelings about this already. Here's what's really important when you start looking at for evidence and looking for information. It's really important as a reader and a writer to look at both sides of the issue. This is what I'm talking about with the learning objective. I can collect evidence on a controversial topic. Controversial means that people believe strongly one way and some people believe another way. That represents both sides of the argument. So you have to be ready, even if you feel very strongly that there should not be any chocolate milk in schools, and you have all this evidence, you need to be ready to be able to know what the people that are saying they think chocolate milk should be in school, what they're going to say, so that you can give evidence otherwise. So it's really important to know both sides of any issue and understand where both sides are coming from. That's called an overview of a topic. So we are going to do a couple of things. First, I want to remind you that when you are researching a topic, you need to, oh man, I keep making really loud noises. Here it is. I was starting to show this to you earlier. You need to gather sources on the topic to preview, which means you're going to read them and stuff. Generate a list of subtopics that frequently appear. We're going to get there. Mostly pause at the ends of chunks and recall what the text structure. Recall the text in a structured way, and record important things. All right. So here's the article that you are going to be reading. So this is a huge packet of information. Should students be able to drink chocolate milk at school? And these are articles. This has lots of articles in it. You're going to put your name on this paper. It says down here, name. This is going to be my copy that we're going to use in class. And you have all of these different articles. Okay, you're not reading all those articles today. You are reading the very first article called Nutrition in Disguise. That's the only article you're reading today with either by yourself, with 1 or 2 partners. So you're going to read it all the way through. Just read it all the way through. And then it's only this page. Back this up a little bit so you can see the full page. There we go. So it's this page here, and it's this page here. That's it. Okay, it's not a huge amount, but writing also isn't a huge amount of time. So what you're going to do is you're going to read it, and you're going to read it all the way through and really understand what it's saying. Then you're going to go back and you can write on your copy. You can underline and say this is for and write an F for it, and this is against it and write an A or whatever, however you want to organize it. But then I want at least 3 things in each category in your writing notebook that you've pulled out of here. What are some reasons to have chocolate milk in schools? And what are some reasons to not have chocolate milk in schools? We are not picking a side yet. You might have strong feelings, but we are not picking a side yet. Right now, you are just listing what are some reasons why people feel strongly that chocolate milk should be in school, and what are some reasons it should not be in school. And that, my friends, is what you are doing today. Again, it should, just like with reading lesson, your voice level should be a 1.5, maybe a 2. The guest teacher gets to decide how you're working, if you have to sit at your tables or if you can sit around the room. And then if you finish early, then you can start previewing the other articles. You can write something of your own, or you can read a book. All right, that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you today. Again, love you all. Thank you for being amazing.